Imagine the disappointment on your child's face when their favorite toy car grinds to a halt mid-play because the battery has drained. The situation can quickly escalate from mild frustration to a full-blown meltdown. But what if there was a simple way to get that toy car zooming around again? A way that requires no technical skills, yet ensures your little one's playtime remains uninterrupted. This guide provides an easy step-by-step process to recharge that 6V toy car battery. So next time the toy car comes to a standstill, you won't be left scrambling. Instead, you'll be prepared to tackle the situation head-on, transforming a moment of disappointment into an opportunity to teach your child a bit about patience and problem-solving. Before getting started, it's important to ensure you have all the necessary equipment. You'll need a 6V toy car battery, a compatible 6V charger, a secure power source, and optionally, a voltmeter. In order to begin the charging process, the first thing you'll need is a suitable charger, a 6V charger to be precise. The charger is a vital component as it supplies the required voltage to replenish the toy car's battery. You may already have a 6V charger that came bundled with the toy car at the time of purchase. If not, or if it's damaged or misplaced, you'll need to acquire a new one. Chargers can be easily purchased from various sources, but ensure that the charger is indeed a 6V one and is compatible with your specific toy car battery. Once you have a suitable 6V charger in your possession, the next step is to connect it to the battery. These leads need to be attached to the corresponding terminals on the battery, the positive lead to the positive terminal, and the negative lead to the negative terminal. With the charger properly connected to the battery, it's now time to connect the charger to a power source. This could be a regular wall outlet or any other reliable source of power. Once connected, switch on the power source, which, in turn, powers the charger. Most chargers have an LED light or some other form of indicator that lights up or changes color to show that the charging process has started. Typically, a 6V toy car battery requires a minimum of 18 hours to fully recharge. However, you must ensure that the battery does not remain connected to the charger for more than 30 hours. Overcharging is a common issue that can significantly reduce the battery's lifespan and even damage it permanently. Determining whether the battery is fully charged is crucial to prevent overcharging. The LED light on the charger gives an indication of the battery's status. A steady yellow light typically indicates that the charger is charging the battery, while a steady green light indicates that the charging cycle is complete. A voltmeter is an incredibly handy tool when it comes to assessing the charge status of your 6V toy car battery. Regularly using a voltmeter during the charging process helps to avoid overcharging and undercharging, and can even alert you to potential issues with the battery itself. With the right tools, a 6V charger, and optionally, a voltmeter, and this guide, you're well on your way to becoming an expert in this area. Armed with this knowledge, you can ensure their toy car is always ready for their next adventure. Remember, safety first, and don't forget to monitor the charging process. Happy charging!